can see I'm already unregistered. I've seen I have never uploaded a video in 2 weeks. Oh my god, that's a lot of time. So today from HackTheBox, we have got this track. Let me show you. This is all new setup. I got installed new Windows and now I have only one game and I will take it like for the life. And this track. I'm thinking of playing this track and I'm so excited because I haven't solved lame and everyone have solved this one machine. So today we are gonna say this. So I've already scanned this on Nmap and there is no, only 4 ports are open. I was saying like FTP is there is an ominous FTP we'll say and oh wait, FTP, I have to write FTP here and connection refused. Why connection refused? How is it possible? No, this can't be possible. Okay, so connection refused again. All right, I want to do no. Let's do SMB map and okay, so this shouldn't be taking 10 minutes. Okay, 1 minute has been just done. Okay, temp folder SMB client. All right, the history is what? Should I be using Metasploit? I think so. This is very easy. What is the guided mode? All right. Thinking this should be the option. Oh. Okay. Yeah, so now this is giving me 139 on SMB and SMB on Debian. I get it. What I'm gonna do, but how I am not able to do FTP on this one. Let me try this again. One more thing. Let me grab the IP. Okay. Yeah. That's because of my terminal. So login successful. Let's see. Is there anything? Oh, nothing. So that shouldn't be like very easy to say. Now say bye and it will say goodbye. Okay. So now the only way which I really want to skip because I don't want to write my Python script and I'm so excited. Today is Tuesday, as I'm not in office and that's why I'm doing this. And today is also marked as day 0 of something which I'm doing. So what was that? SMB okay, I just forgot. SMB 3 point something, 3.0.20. Okay, msfconsole. Okay, as a noob I gotta do msfconsole. I don't know, community really hates it. I have no idea. Maybe because there are some limitation in many of the exams. You can't able to use MS Console every time. Metasploit is, if you're using it, you will be. Okay, let's do search in here. Why is it so slow? Why I can't able to type anything? Debian. Oh no. Samba, SMB 3.0. Let me search this. search this and okay. Okay, the Samba is gone. Oh wow. Oh wow. Oh wow. Mm, what I'm doing, bro. This is SMB. Not. This is not what I need. I need something. Will be this Debian. I don't know. There will be some export in it. Let's search this into this. All right. There is. Oh no script. Just giving this exploit multi assembly server. Nice. Okay, so okay, not set. I don't know why they never said it. 10.10.14 108. I think this is the correct way because there will be no else port open. If this doesn't work, then don't want to write a Python script. Don't want to write a Python script in there. Okay, only 6 minutes is left. Oh, what I'm doing? Let me grab the IP again. So that's the only two things. Okay, TCP handlers on it, and just give me a session open. Yeah. Okay. ID. This is VR. We can give a root flag for VR. This. All right, we got the root flag. Let's just get that out. TXT, and where is the user flag? Let me go to home. There will be some user of some name. Marcus. Okay. Oh, there's Marcus. All right. Okay, so we got the user and we got the root. Every time I play this, okay, 32 more players are playing with me. That's cool. Nobody reset the room. I think everyone is having fun. Right, code done. And this is a sign off. 71,606. Hell yeah. Yeah. So that's it. We just, okay, in 8 minutes. And I know that FTP and another one can be just a rabbit hole, and there is a full explanation on it. But all right, that's it. I haven't made a video, and this is day 0 today. That's because I don't have my machine at that time. Now we are gonna play in web security. Today's day 0, market that is 15. I have a short diary, which I totally suck to be consistent. If you see, like, many people are so many consistent and doing a lot of work, which makes me I'm not doing anything. So all right, that's it. I'll see you on another video.